because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. I know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth.
To the channel. If you're new, welcome. I am Shakay. So guys, it is a new week, and this week, I don't know, I'm trying to do something. I was watching a motivational video this morning, a vlog of this girl. She was talking about how she was in a rut, and I realized I'm not alone. So, and she's like a big YouTuber, big YouTuber. So me and my little YouTuber self have been feeling, been saying, I have to be on the grind and all of that, and I have not been feeling motivated. But I have no motivation to do no videos and so on. And she was saying the same thing, and I felt like, I'm not alone. So yeah. So I decided for this week, I'm gonna try and get myself, so this week's video is trying to get myself back on the grind of vlogging, getting back into myself, getting into some, why when me a vlog, those pigs just always are nice. Anyways, so getting back into some habits, some good habits, people. So yeah. Alright, so I'm ready for work today. Let me show you my outfit. This is the top, and then I have this black skirt to go with it. And then I decided to wear this glasses with my gold accessory because I have a little something around here. Yeah, I just love glasses for fashion, so I'm wearing it because I need to stop thinking about what people say. I need to stop care, and that's the era I want to reach in. I don't want to care what people are say. I want to do me. I want to get back into being me. You know what I looked at the other day? Sorry I said this so long, but what I looked at the other day was the fact that when I was younger, I usually talk about fashion design, and I think somebody asked me the other day what happened to my fashion designing something. And yesterday when I was at church, we were talking about some habits, some lifelong learning thing in Sunday school. And guys, I think I need to go back into that. Like, I usually love learning those stuff, like hobbies like that. I have a sewing machine here. One of those, I have a sewing machine in my yard. And for a person that loved fashion design, and I loved clothing, like we literally get one in a clothing when I do it in a CXC. I don't even know if I remember how to string a machine. Like, I need to get back into that. So I'm gonna start this week actually. So when I get home, I'm gonna start first thing, well, probably not this evening with this sewing because I need to wash the rest of my clothes. I didn't wash the rest of it the other day because one, I was having some terrible cramps the Friday when I was supposed to do it, so I didn't get to do it. So yeah. So yes, I'm gonna try and get into that. So some new, well, not new, but get back into my hobbies, learning some new skills and all of that. So yeah, let's get into today. Want to say it now? What's the problem? I am not tall. Miss Biel is short. Oh my god. I'm not tall.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Cali way. Close to your love again.
Pick her up after work before.
I wanna go to Cali way.
Jesus. You know, like when you catch you. Man, come
I give my
on.
heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here.
Yes guys, I want to show you guys that I bought this. It's a vape mat for mosquitoes. I had a lot of the thing that you put in there, but my vape mat is not working and the mosquitoes in my room are terrible. So yeah, it smells like it's at work. I paid like $1,315 for it, so let's see how it works. All right, yeah. Good morning guys, it is Tuesday, a gloomy day, and heading out to work. So I'm gonna have to talk to you guys later. I just want to say good morning to you guys. So yeah, it is Tuesday afternoon. I got back probably about half an hour ago or something, but I've been trying to like edit a vlog that I want to put up, I think tomorrow or the day after that, either tomorrow or Thursday. Tomorrow is Wednesday, so tomorrow or Thursday. I don't think it's gonna be tomorrow because honestly I don't think I'm gonna have enough time to finish that vlog. I want to put all my efforts into editing. I want to do a little bit more with my editing, improve my editing and all of that. So if I'm gonna do that, I can't rush the editing process, right? So, and I have my mom's hair to do, so I'm gonna have to do my mom's hair. I'm gonna have to help them to pack. If I don't want me helping pack, so and my sister want me to help her to make one hat. So today look well busy. I tell mom, so I'll give my mother like an hour that she put something together. So I'm giving her until 5:40 thereabouts. So I have an hour to go and try edit the vlog. But I just want to come on to come, you know, update you guys. So yes, I'm home. So that's what's gonna be happening. Lunch for today. My backpack. Anyways, so good morning guys, it is Thursday. It's almost the weekend and I am super excited for that. One, it's the weekend and I'm gonna drop my phone. And two, we have this debut assembly. So it's where all the Baptist churches in Jamaica come together and worship together for the day. So it's like a convention. That's it for that. Yeah. Anyways, and then Monday when I got school because of election.
Yeah, I know it's been a little while, but I gotta let them know.
afternoon, guys. It is Friday, Jamaica Day. So I'm heading to work now. Yeah, we'll see what today will entail. See if I can show you guys anything. But yeah, hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. Like the vlog if you have not as yet. If you do, actually. If you don't, then it's fine. Yeah, so I'll see you guys throughout the day.
This campaign to target schools, communities that are considered vulnerable, and while going into these schools and communities, we want you guys to understand that it is good for us to live good, but also good for us to be our brother's keeper.
You would know that we're here on the St. Mary's Saturday National High School District Competition. It has been amazing. It's Jamaica Day. We spent our Jamaica Day just embracing Jamaica, embracing our culture and music.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.